This is the brief on Li Guoquen's view of the Dharma body. So, you know how we often think of enlightenment as escaping pain to find some flawless existence? Well, writer Li Guoquen says you've got it backwards. He suggests that being fully human, suffering and all, is actually the goal. First, he completely redefines suffering as a good thing. Li argues that getting sick, or aging, or dying, they aren't failures we need to fix. Instead, he calls them Tathagata virtues, which are basically divine qualities. His logic is pretty simple. Since the historical Buddha himself got old and died, these messy, natural parts of life are the authentic face of spirituality, not something to avoid. Second, this changes his whole definition of a perfect life. For Li, perfection is just completeness, and that includes things like annoyance and mortality. He's pretty critical of the obsession with longevity or trying to escape reality. In fact, he sees the traditional goal of extinction, removing yourself from the life cycle, as more of a delusion than a victory. And finally, Li looks inward, way inward, to the microscopic level. He treats the physical body as the temple, arguing the holy Dharma body is operating right inside your biology. He maps the divine to our cells and our molecules, showing that holiness is internal and physical, not abstract. So the bottom line is that Li calls for embracing the biological reality of a complete human life, rather than chasing a mystical escape from it. True enlightenment might just be realizing you are already complete, exactly as you are.